Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap Imperial Beach, local and long distance movers near me. Our experienced movers know how to ensure your long distance move will not involve all the worry. When you want to move 100 miles away or even 2,500 miles away, our staff will help. Our moving solutions give you all the right choices to individualize your move for your particular needs. Hiring us provides you access to each of the essential moving services, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It's not always simple to rationalize the cost when choosing a California moving company. However, when you begin to notice the conveniences, the expense seems well worth it. You get the benefit of having time on your local move, which can be well worth it. Eliminating the heavy lifting also gives one more benefit you get from using the best local movers. Our team of qualified movers will definitely make sure your move is really efficient. With a local moving company like 3 Movers, you get a more efficient move. Even though your move is big enough that it will take you all week, we can get it done in no more than a single day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Imperial Beach moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.